could dress up to get love.
वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें मेरी लेटेस्ट वीडियो को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian Beauty Tips and Tricks. So today I am going to tell you how can you prepare a hair oil for faster hair growth. So if you are interested then keep on watching the video. मैं यहाँ 3 hair oils and 1 essential oil को mix करूँगी because सारे oil के different benefits होते हैं and हम सारे mix कर दें तो सबके benefits हमको मिलेंगे and it will also improve our hair texture. So I will suggest you all to always mix up your hair oils. सबसे पहले I am using coconut oil. I am using extra virgin coconut oil. I bought this from Amazon. कोकोनट ऑयल के फ़ायदे आप सबको ही पता है, बल्कि साउथ में सबसे ज़्यादा कोकोनट ऑयल ही यूज़ होता है. That's why their hair are so long and strong. Ordered this oil from Amazon and its price was around 200 rupees. So second oil जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है आलमंड ऑयल या बादाम ऑयल. It is best अगर आप हेयर लॉस से बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हैं, क्योंकि ये आपके हेयर को नेसेसरी विटामिन्स देता है which needed for regrowth of hair and it also gives your hair a shine. I purchased this Rogan Badam Shreen Sweet Almond Oil and its quantity is 100 ml and the price of this oil is rupees 330 rupees. Third oil I will be using is castor oil. I have heard a lot about this oil. It is beneficial for growing your lashes and for growing your eyebrows and what not. So I need to purchase this. And according to dermatologists, castor oil is the best oil to enrich your scalp. It has omega-6 fatty acids and therefore when massaged onto the scalp, it helps in increasing blood circulation which improves your hair growth. Lastly, I will be using tea tree essential oil. This is my favorite essential oil. I use it regularly in my skincare routine and also mix it in my hair oil. Essential oil I am using here is Ray Naturals Tea Tree Essential Oil and its quantity is 15 ml and the price of this essential oil is rupees 242. The real MRP is rupees 360 but I got it on discount. Now so let's prepare the oil, the mixture for hair growth. तो सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ 1 cap of almond oil डालूँगी. Almond oil is very thick, that's why I am only adding 1 cap of it. I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil in the mixture. Coconut oil promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems as insect bites, lice and dandruff. Coconut oil also moisturizes your dry hair. Coconut oil also prevents hair breakage and split ends, which I am very tired of split ends, contributing to hair length. And I am trying to use castor oil, but as you can see only 1 drop came out because it has very thick consistency. For using it as a hair oil you have to open it cap and then use it. Castor oil is an age-old beauty treatment that has been largely replaced over time by fancier beauty products with more ingredients and a bigger price tag. So I will suggest you all to use castor oil. See, I am adding 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oil Tea tree essential oil is very good for hair growth as it helps to unclog hair follicles and nourish your roots. Also add tea tree essential oil on your shampoo and it will really help to clean and give you a nice hair wash. फिर हेयर ऑयलिंग से पहले just microwave it for 10 seconds and then do the hair oiling. Your hair oil is prepared. You can use it twice in a week. For better results, leave it overnight. And in next video, I will tell you how to do Ayurvedic hair oil massage. If interested, then please tell me in the comment box. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Then do not forget to give it a thumbs up.